Hi guys, so you must be thinking who's this child? That's my mom. Yeah, so today we'll be talking about my mom's life so far. And my mom is super adventurous. She loves traveling and exploring the world. She also does weird things like riding that rickshaw right there. These are her sisters posing like Gandhi ji ke teen bandar. Oh, that's my mom and dad giving me couple goals right there. Haha, that's me, baby Pritha. Me and mom have always been friends first, and this is our little family. So, my mom is totally into fitness and crazy things like, jumping or climbing a tree. My mom loves her friends, and so do they. She always is up to something with them. And that's just my mom dancing away and making TikToks, but life had something else planned for her. July 2019, my mom was diagnosed with breast cancer.
Good morning. Feeling absolutely fine, having breakfast. So chill.
Her look changed, but she always smiled. She also did a photo shoot during her chemo days, and thanks to Aki who made it possible. I have learned many lessons from my mom, and the most important being to find little happy moments during your day, even if it's your bad day. My mom is a strong lady, all I can say at the end. Her friends are a blessing. And I want to thank them with all my heart. I love you, Mom.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to the first episode of Lemonade with Pritha. This is my mom and she is the first guest. So welcome to Lemonade with Pritha. Cheers.
Cheers. Hi, I'm Priya Soni. I have worked for aviation industry 22 years. After that, I started looking after a family restaurant, traveled a lot, made friends, enjoyed with family. But then there was a speed breaker in my life. Everybody has a wake-up call. My wake-up call was cancer.
So we will talk about a lot of things about you. So my first question is, which is your favorite place to travel or you think is the most beautiful you've seen?
For me, it is Kashmir because I don't think there's any other place like Kashmir.
So let's talk about, as you mentioned, there was a speed breaker in your life when you were diagnosed with cancer. I want to ask you how you felt when the doctor told you.
First thing which came to my mind was how to cure cancer. I didn't want to fight cancer, I just want to cure cancer.
What are the 3 things you have taken back from this process?
I have become more spiritual, more into meditation, and yoga was always there for me. Become more sensitive towards others and become conscious about my diet.
Which was your worst moment or the lowest moment you think during this phase?
So I can read one chapter I had written.
Yeah, sure.
Would you like? It was on 26 September 19. Today was the day I shaved off my head. It was the day before when I booked an appointment with the Urban Club. I did not want to go to a parlor and wanted just Manav to be there. Manav is my husband. After the job was done, when I looked at the mirror, I thought that was a different person I did not know. I was looking for my face in the mirror, but in vain. It was one of the most difficult times in this phase. The feeling of losing your identity. Manav was trying to lighten the situation, calling me Gajni. There was a scar on my face, on my head, due to some stitches in my childhood, which I always used to hide while combing my hair. Today I exposed that too, and I had no fear.
How important is friends and family support during this time?
I want to thank my doctors. They have been very caring and supportive. Dr. Shekhar Gupta, Dr. Amit Tiwari, Dr. Suchanta Goswami, and the Apollo team. They made my journey easier. Recovery is a very lonely journey, so it wouldn't have been easier if my friends and family won't be around. I want to thank my husband, Manav, who had been a backbone throughout. In every bad day, good day, he was with me. Drishti, Pramod, Poonam, Vanessa, Shushila Di, Meenal, Aki, Karina, and all my other friends, I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for being there for me the time when I needed all of you the most. Thank you so much.
Okay, so we are going to play a very fun game. It's called Guilty Shots. So if you're guilty of doing the things I mentioned, then you have to take a shot. And we have haldi pani for our guilty shots. Looking good, but it's not tasty at all. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, have you ever fallen asleep at work or at school?
Never. Good.
Done something you regret?
Yes.
What do you regret? Yummy, no?
When I shout at you, the next day I regret.
Why?
Because I feel bad.
So, have you ever sang in the shower?
Yes.
Cheers.
Cheers. I'm actually enjoying it.
The next one is, have you ever donated blood?
Yes, I'm O positive, so I have.
So, have you tried cutting your own hair?
Yes, when I was a little girl, I tried cutting my fringes.
Please take a shot. Hated a present but told someone that I love it.
Oh yeah, I have done it with your dad.
Even I've done it.
Excuse my grammar because we just thoughts which came out in paper. I'll read out one page. On 30th November I had written this. After a very long time, feel like sharing my thoughts in this diary. I have seen lots of low and high moments in the last month. I felt low on Karwa Chauth day as I could not keep the fast for Manav, my husband, due to medical issues. I have been fasting on this day since I met and started dating him 4 years before our marriage. There was not 1 year in these 23 years I broke my fast. I was feeling trapped in this situation. To get some peace, Manav took me to the Gurdwara with Dad. Felt so much better while coming back home. I saw a beautiful full moon in the background of Victoria Memorial. It felt so good and brought back beautiful memories of my dad bringing my mom here to see the same moon on Karwa Chauth day. The mothers out there, happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day to all moms. Also, Mom, I want you to give this audience something to take back.
Those who are going through this phase, I want to tell you that family can help you to some extent, friends can help you to some extent, but it is you and only you who can pull it, and you can help yourself. So just that positivity, keep it going. If God has shown you the worst day of your life, He will definitely show you the best days of your life. So apna time aayega.
Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. We are done shooting.
Yeah, our director, scriptwriter, spot boy.
Mom, this is not your sari, that's my backdrop.
How am I looking?
Can you please stop it?